Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will start a little differently. So sorry. I bought some pigments from some Slovenian brand. Weird, but still we have some pigments here in Slovenia too, companies that make them. And I will do a reverse flower dip with my flower shaped cup, bottle bottom pour kind of thing, but with this cup. And I decided to show you just quick how I mix my pigments. So this is my pigment. It's ultra fine satin white, and I will put quite a bit in because I will mix about 3 ounces of that, so 2 scoops kind of. And now I will use Vallejo Polyurethane satin varnish to disperse them. And because why I'm using satin one, because this satin varnish kind of creates lacing by itself too. If you will mix it into your white paint, you can do kind of a cloud pour, like almost like satin enamels from deco art. And you see, I just disperse this, that it's kind of a pasty looking thing. And I will use my pouring medium mixture that I always use, but it works with other pouring mediums the same for the mixing part, not for the effects in the flower dips, unfortunately. But maybe something exciting coming up, but more of that later, not in this video. And now I will pour a little bit of my pouring medium first and mix it again. And it's way too thick, so more pouring medium. And I don't have any water in this pouring medium, so normally when I mix my paints, I mix them to the kind of 2-to-1 ratio, and then I try to get my consistency with water. So let's do that. A little bit of water. Mix again. A little bit more. And I should be okay. And I will show you the consistency with another color, not with this one, because it's hard with white. It's okay. So let me grab this wine red pigment. Ooh. Focus. And this is the consistency. Oh, so hard. Leaves a little mound and disappears quite fast. So this is the second color, and this is gold Ooh, sorry guys. And I have, this is just gold, classic gold, and wine red, and I have bronze and the white that I already showed you. So let me put this aside, and I will use black background today. It's an oxide black from Amsterdam. I'll just bring my canvas. Okay, this should do. And I will put my gloves on because I will use my black background. And it's messy. And I'm working on 8 by 8 inch canvas with deep edge. So I will basically pour quite a bit on because I want a nice even coat, and I will just tilt this back into the cup and I will be right back with you. Okay, I will torch for the air bubbles, quite a lot of air bubbles. Just have to check a little bit of my sides. Okay, so I will put my cup in the middle if I can. Pretty good. Woohoo! Love it! Wow! I really love it! And I'm glad that I added black into the colors too, because it's gorgeous. Wow. I will wait just about 5 minutes or so, but I love this lacing, and I didn't even use pearl white. My pearl white mixture, and I did got the lacing. It's not totally in the middle. This is my problem always, but kind of okay because I love it. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here it is. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Not too much lacing for my taste, just enough to get the interesting petal look, kind of, that I like. It's just amazing. Love it. And you see, you don't see that black in the middle anymore because you drag the colors into that part, and the shimmer is just amazing. I'm in love with this one. So the painting is almost dry, not completely, but just want to show you those beautiful colors. The gold is shining just so gorgeous. So these edges are totally dry. See, and it stayed like that. So happy, happy, happy about this one. Really am. The middle is still a little wet, but it should be dry in a day or two, but I was just too excited that I want to share it with you. So without pearl white, just with adding polyurethane satin varnish to my pouring medium, I got quite a nice result too. Happy! Thanks for watching, have a nice weekend and see you on the next one. Bye!